the survey questionnaire na in-adopt or ginawa nito. First, let's talk about the definition of the reliability. So, as for the definition of the reliability refers to the consistency of your measurement or the degree to which an instrument measures the same way each time it is used under the same condition with the same subjects. Also, it is more important to remember that reliability is not measured, it is estimated. Okay? It is not measured, it is estimated. Also, reliability refers to the extent to which a scale produces consistent results. So if the measurement are repeated a number of times, the analysis on reliability or the reliability analysis is determined by obtaining the proportion of systematic variation in the scale, wherein if the scale that we've produced in the reliability analysis is high, therefore we can say that the reliability of your tool is reliable. However, if according to the reliability analysis, the tool that you've made gained a low score of analysis, so therefore that is not reliable. So ibig sabihin lang yan is for you to say that your tool or your measurement is reliable enough, it must meet a specific number of internal consistency para masabi natin high reliable siya. So ano ba yung high reliable? Mamaya makikita ninyo yung mga corresponding interpretation of the reliability na pwede nyong makuha in calculating or estimating the reliability of your tool that you've made or adapt. Next, as for the validity, according to Cook and Campbell, it is defined as the best available approximation to the truth or falsity of a given inference, proposition, or conclusion. Another thing, validity refers to the measurement wherein it is designed to measure what it is purports to measure. So dapat, for example, if you are measuring the relationship between the impact of the social media and fake news to the mental health of the grade 11 students. So therefore, for the tool or the Likert scale na gawa nyo, it consists or it targeted the topic that you want to study, which is the impact of the fake news and social media in the students' mental health. So if yun yung gusto nyong ipakita or yun yung gusto nyong i-measure, dapat for the validity is yun din yung tinutumbok ng mga tanong or ng mga statement ninyo. So hindi kasi pwede na about fake news and social media. Tapos, ang mga topic nyo is hindi about doon. Okay? So, kapag ganon or medyo naliligaw yung mga tanong ninyo, so, merong chance na hindi valid yung gawa ninyo. Okay? It is much more important that your tool or your skill is valid than being reliable. Okay? So there is no sense na reliable. Okay? Wala kasing sense na reliable or kahit gaano kataas yung reliability ng items ninyo if hindi valid yung nagawa ninyo Likert scale or yung na-adapt ninyong Likert scale. So if ganun yung magiging chance, so hindi mame-measure yung anong gusto nyong i-measure, kung anong gusto nyong ipakita sa research na ito. So for example, gusto nyong ipakita sa research na meron palang mga factors na dito kay fake news and then kay social media na nakakaapekto pala itong mga factors na to sa mga mental health ng mga students na for today's 21st century is we need to prove or we want to prove that these factors affect or really affect the mental health of the students. So for example, if yun yung gusto nyong patunayan, so therefore, for your research is, for your Likert scale, I mean, is you need to prove or you need to make a scale na about din sa pinaka-topic ninyo, which is sa impact or yung mga factors ng social media and fake news na nakaka-apekto sa mental health ng mga students. Okay? So hindi kasi pwedeng na for example, ang topic mo is self-efficacy ng mga students regarding math. Tapos yung gawa mo pala is, yung gawa or laman ng mga question mo is self-efficacy about math, science, English. So hindi pwedeng ganon. So di ba naging specific ka sa isang bagay dun sa research mo. So, ibig sabihin, dun sa scale mo, magiging specific ka din na yun yung gusto mong i-measure. Okay? Na yun yung gusto mong patunayan. So, hindi kasi masasagot yung tanong mo or hindi masasagot yung SOP mo, yung statement of the problem, if dun pa lang sa pinakang laman ng mga survey questionnaire mo is hindi siya tugma sa SOP and then at the same time, dun sa topic na gusto mong i-attain. Okay? So kapag nag-contradict kasi yung laman ng survey questionnaire with the topic and your SOP, so malaking bagay yun. Baka hindi valid or hindi talaga valid yung gawa ninyo kapag nagkataon. Ayan. And now, how will you identify if your Likert scale or your survey questionnaire is a valid one? Diba? So how can you identify or how can you say na no? We can really prove that our Likert scale or our survey questionnaire is a valid one. So how can you prove? So you must do the following steps for you to say that I am 100% sure that our paper, our Likert scale, our survey questionnaire, our tool is a valid one. Okay, so paano? Okay, so ito, AloGom. So this is the survey questionnaire na gawa ng mga students ko dati, ng grade 11 sila. So hindi to natuloy kasi nagawa nila to 1 week before the lockdown. Ayan. 1 week before the lockdown. Nung lockdown, wala akong masyadong signal sa Mindoro. Kaya ano lang, tutorial lang yung na-post ko sa kanila. And then, that time, di naman lahat may laptop or hindi lahat as in nakakalabas na pwedeng mag-computer. So, kaya natigil yung lesson namin. Hanggang tutorial lang yung pwede kong maibigay and then for the output, kung ano lang yung mga napagawa ko, yun lang yung nag-gradean ko sa kanila. Diba? So, as for the validity, is ganito po yung gagawin ninyo. So, di ba meron kayong mga statement? Okay. Or meron kayong mga questions regarding your Likert scale? Okay. Now, if you will if you need to find if your scale is valid or not, so kailangan nyo ng tatlong expert, at least, okay? Tatlong expert pataas. Expert, okay. Okay, for example, si expert number 1 is expert siya about, so sulat ko lang yung pinakang topic nila, which is the effects of high expectations on honor students' mental health. Ito kasi yung pinakang topic nila, which is the effects of high expectation on honor students' mental health. So, for example, si expert number 1, expert siya pagdating kay mental health. Okay? Next, si expert number 2 naman, expert siya pagdating kay research. And then si expert number 3, expert naman siya sa mga English, sa English or sa mga grammar. Okay. Now, for example, meron na kayong tatlo or mas higit na expert na nakuha for your paper. Now, is ibibigay nyo tong statement together with this revise, reject, retain, and then comments. Okay. So sa mga statement, dito po nakalagay yung lahat ng mga statement na nagawa or na-adapt ninyo or na-modified ninyo regarding your topic. And ano yung silbi ni revise, reject, and retain, and then comments. Kapag kasi, for example, yung mga expert natin is, ang naka-check dito is revise. For example, statement number 1, naka-revise silang lahat. Ang ibig sabihin lang nun is, for this specific statement is meron kang imo-modify or meron kang i-amend or meron kang babaguhin. So, kapag naka-check naman yung revise na yan, naglalagay sila ng mga comment or comments kung ano yung dapat mong baguhin for that specific statement. Okay. Ayan. So, mag-ano na tayo ng actual. For example, si expert number 1, sabi niya, for statement number 1, the expectation of your parent affects your own expectation in terms of grade. Sabi ni expert number 1, I think for this specific statement, you need to revise it. And then, ito yung comment ni expert number 1. Sabi naman ni expert number 2, no, you need to reject. Kailangan mong tanggalin yan. Ayan. And then, for expert number 3, sabi naman niya, no, you need to revise lang. Okay. Now, itong tatlo na to, okay, between the revise, reject, and retain, ano yung susundin nyo dyan? Ang susundin nyo dyan is yung pinakang marami. Okay? Yung pinakang marami kung saan sila bumoto. So, here, ang pinakang marami is revise. So, therefore, for statement number 1, ang conclusion nyo dyan is you need to revise the statement number 1 in terms with the condition of the 2 experts na nagsabi na i-revise dapat yan. So, meron naman yung mga expert natin is merong mga comment kung ano yung dapat baguhin. Okay? Next. Sabi naman dito ay statement number 2, sabi ni expert number 1 and expert number 2, you need to reject. Sabi ni expert number 3, no, revise lang. So this time, anong mas marami? Reject. So therefore, for statement number 2 is you need to reject the item. So ibig sabihin, you need to cancel out. Okay. So dito kasi, you need to cancel out statement number 2 because most of the experts are in favor with the reject. Okay. Now, paano naman kapag tatlo sila naka-check lahat? So, ang pipiliin nyo is yung neutral, which is yung revise. Okay? Yung revise. So, ganun lang yung pagpapacheck ng validity. But for the validity is, ano siya, if seseryosohin talaga like parang mga college na, naseryosohan na talaga, makakailang balik ka sa mga panel mo kasi for the validity is kailangan ng pirma nila, kailangan ng pirma ng mga expert na napili ninyo. So yung mga panel kasi namin is hindi sila pipirma hanggat hindi sila na-satisfy. Nung namin, college kami, hindi sila pumirma hanggat hindi sila na-satisfy sa gawa naming Likert scale. So parang yun, nagpaulit kaming punta, mga 3 hanggang 4 na beses bago sila pumirma na okay na. Na wala na silang gusto bang ipabago sa survey namin, sa Likert scale namin. Ayan. So, ito naman, yung mga comments naman ng mga expert natin na napili or mapipili ninyo is para din yan sa mga paper ninyo kapag research na para once na okay na, sabihin na natin na nakadalawa, 3 beses kayong balik, worth it yun kasi magiging reliable. Okay? The term is magiging reliable yung reliability analysis. Okay? Kasi once na valid ang inyong item, dapat, okay? The term is dapat reliable din siya. But there are some case na reliable yung item pero hindi siya valid. Bakit? Kasi hindi naman pina-check. Okay? So, yung reliable but not valid, nangyayari yun kapag reliability lang yung ginawa nila. Hindi na nila pina-check yung validity. Nag-proceed agad sila with the reliability. Ganon. So, mahirap na ganun yung gagawin ninyo na reliability kayo agad kapag research na. So, kapag research na, talagang you need to do the proper steps, which is mag-validity muna kayo and then after that, mag-reliability. Okay, ganon. But for the statistics and probability, is hindi nyo gagawin sa validity. Why? Malapit na yung finals ninyo. Ayan. Malapit na yung finals ninyo and as much as possible, is gusto ko na more on statistics yung i-lesson ko sa inyo. So, ayoko lang maiwan or ayoko lang na kaligtaan na i-discuss sa inyo si validity kasi kapag grade 12 kayo, kailangan nyo or gagawin nyo tong si validity. Okay? But here in stats, we will more focused on the reliability. So, please kindly ready your laptop for the reliability. So, it's either you need Microsoft Excel or PSPP for solving the reliability of the item. Okay, so for the reliability AloGom is you need to add the data analysis on the data view of your Microsoft Excel. Okay. So ito muna, first step muna tayo or first option. So, pwede sa reliability, it's either Microsoft Excel or, anong tawag dito? Yung isa? PSPP. So, ipapakita ko muna sa inyo yung Microsoft Excel. And then after that, if hindi kaya or wala nito sa Microsoft Excel nyo, so you can use PSPP as an alternative. But for me, mas okay akong gamitin si PSPP. So, malalaman nyo kung bakit mas gusto kong gamitin si PSPP. Okay, so for the reliability, if you will use Microsoft Excel in solving for the reliability, the first step is to add the data analysis as your add-ins in your data view. As you can see here, wala pa dyang data analysis. So the question, paano i-add si data analysis as your add-ins? Okay, so for the step number 1, on how to add the data analysis is you will click for you will click. You will click for file. Okay. So ito sa file, nakaturo naman yan. So this is the file, and then nakaturo naman dyan si arrow. Ayan. So that is our first step. And then after that, after clicking for file is dito dediretso. After clicking for file is you will click for options. And then after clicking for options, you will click for add-ins. After clicking for add-ins, you will click for the analysis toolpack for step number 4. And step number 5 is you will click for go. After step number 5, for step number 6, is you will click for all of these choices. Ayan. And then after that, for step number 7 is you will click for OK. And then after nyo maklik si OK, lalabas na si data analysis sa inyong Microsoft Excel. Ayan. So gawin natin siya sa aking Microsoft Excel para makita nyo talaga. Okay, the term is para makita nyo talaga kung paano na-add si data analysis sa add-ins ng ating Microsoft Excel. So sandali lang. Ang gagawin ko na lang is to share it using my entire screen. So lahat ng nasa screen ko, kung anong nakikita ko, nakikita nyo din. Okay, ganun siya. Okay, stop presenting lang, saglit lang. Okay, entire screen. Ayan. Now, so dito tayo kay Microsoft Excel. So dito kay data view, ayan. Nakikita niyo yung data, ito po. Tingnan niyo lang yung arrow ko, ayan. Dapat dito kay data, between the what if forecast sheet and then outline, nandito bandang dito si data analysis. But as you can see, wala siya. So i-add natin siya dito sa data view. So paano natin siya gagawin? Step number 1 is to click file. Okay, ito si file, click natin. After clicking for file is we will click for ayan, options. After clicking for options is merong lilitaw dyan na pop-up box, which is ito. Next is we will click for add-ins. Click analysis toolpack. Click go. Ayan. So after mo maklik si analysis toolpack, click mo lang si go. And then yung mga add-ins na pwede mong idagdag. Okay? So ito yung mga add-ins na pwede mong idagdag dito. So ilahat na natin sila. And then click for OK. And then wait for 5 to 10 seconds. Lilitaw na dyan si data analysis. Ayan. So as you can see, ito po lumitaw na si data analysis and si solver. So dito, ang pinakang kailangan natin is si data analysis. Yan. So meron na tayong data analysis, pwede natin gawin si reliability. So paano po ba gawin si reliability? So si reliability is magagawa natin siya si reliability is magagawa natin siya by, so di ba kanina, itong validity natin, balik tayo dito. Yung validity natin, ilang statement to? 10. So sabihin natin na meron tayong 10 statements. Statement number 1 up to statement number 10. Or question number 1 up to question number 10. So, i-label lang natin sila para hindi kayo malito kapag nagtatali na. And then, i-bold lang natin para hindi kayo malito. So, dito sa part na to, nandito nakalagay ang mga statement or mga questions. And then dito naman, let's say for example, kailangan ko na respondents, since konti kayo, sabihin natin kahit 20 na lang. Yan. So, ayan. So as you can see, S1 up to S10, ito yung mga statement natin. And then, yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to 20, ito yung mga respondents ko. Okay, sagutan natin yung mga pagpipilian na, nila dito or pagpipilian ninyo. Ano ba yung mga pagpipilian nyo dito? So for the validity kasi, ang mga pagpipilian nyo dito is, so dito sa Likert scale na gawa nila, it is 4-point Likert scale, which is merong katumbas na mga, each number is merong katumbas, which is si 4, ang katumbas niya is strongly agree. Si 3 naman is agree. Si 2 is strongly, disagree yan, disagree. And then si 1 is strongly disagree. Okay. So sabayan nyo ako magsagot, AloGom. And then huwag nyo munang itatype yung mga sagot ninyo hanggat hindi nyo nasasagutan yung 1 up to 10. Okay? So sabay-sabay tayo. For number 1, the expectation of your parents affects your own expectation in terms of grade. Okay, sabay-sabay. For me, it is 2. So depende tayo ng mga perspective sa buhay. Kaya huwag niyong tutularin ang sagot ko. Okay? Walang tularan. So dito, walang tama, walang mali. Okay, kapag Likert scale. Next. You get stressed when assigned as a group leader on group works in the school. Siyempre naman. Okay. Next. Scared to show or admit to your parents when you oo. Ayan. After that, let's move with statement number 4. Statement number 4, always worrying about the academic grades and performances because of expectations. I am agree. Next, believes that high expectation on students may affect their mental and physiological stability. For me, lang. Next, parents are disappointed when having a low score. Ayan. Next, for question number 7 up to 10. Meeting parents' expectation is a must. You feel the need to always finish before. Yeah, of course. Being an honor student is a responsibility. No. Feels self-disappointment when he or she did not meet the expected needs. Of course, I am agree with that. Okay. Now, AloGom for your attendance. Okay. For your attendance, dapat lahat kayo is magsasagot nito. So, kindly enter your responses dito sa mga statement ng 1 up to 10. So, if wala kayong mga sagot, you are considered as absent kahit nandito kayo. Okay? Isa lang student ko. Isa lang ang present. Adelay, pasampu yan. Naputol nga. Okay, let's start with the first respondent, which is si Aaron. So si Aaron, yung sagot niya, 4. Ayan. So si student number 1, yung sagot niya is 4, 3, 4, 2, 2, 1, 4. Okay. So ganito po magtali, parang merong kulang. 3, 4, 3, 4, 2, 2. 4, 1, 4 pala. 4, 1, 4. Ayan. So kapag magtatali kayo is pa-horizontal, which is si respondent 1, ang sagot kay statement 1 is 4. Next, ang sagot niya naman kay statement number 2 is also strongly agree. Same with statement number 3, strongly agree siya. But for statement number 4, siya naman ay agree. Statement number 5, siya ay strongly agree. For statement number 6, A is disagree. Same with 7, disagree. Statement number 8, strongly agree. Statement number 1, statement number 10, siya ay disagree, strongly disagree. And then for statement number 10, he is strongly agree. Okay? So, yung pagtatali is hindi pwedeng pa-baba. Okay? Pa-horizontal. Next. Si Adelaide, ang sagot niya is 5, 3. 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. Okay. So, yun yung sagot ni respondent number 2, which is si Adelaide. Si respondent number 3 naman, which is si Angeline, ang sagot niya is 4, 4, 3, 2, 3. 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. 4, 4, 3, 3, 2. 3, 4, 2, 1, 3. Ayan. Next, si respondent number 4 naman, which is si John Ray. Ang sagot niya is 4, 3, 4, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2, 4. Next, si respondent number 5 naman, si Ray Angelo. So, si Ray, ang sagot niya is 3, 3, 4, 3, 3. 3, 3, 4, 3, 3. And then 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. Ayan. Next, for statement number 1, ang sagot ni John Ray Villado is 3. Ang-anim na siya na respondent, ha? So, 3, 2, 3, 3. 3, 2, 3, 3.
4, ma'am. Ay, 3 po yung huli, ma'am.
Mali ba ako? 3, 3, 2, 3. Ano naman ah? Tatlong, yung 2, 2, 2. 3 yung huli. Okay. Okay. Ayan. Next. Si Kyle, 2, 4, 1, 3. Diba? 4, 2, 2, 4. 4, 2, 2, 4. 1, 3. Next. Si respondent 8 naman, si Philip. 3, 4, 3, 3, 2. 3, 4, 3, 3, 2. So, ito yung challenging sa part which is yung pagtatali. So, after naman nito is madali na. 3, 4, 1. 3, 4, 3, 3. Dalawang po ba yun? Nga, dalawang. 3, 4, 1, 3. 3, 4, 1. Ito yung pinakang sinukuan namin, charot, nung college. Or pinakang nakaka-iyak na part, ang magtali. Sakit sa mata eh. Three, one, three. Naliligaw na ako. Ayan. Next. Si Kala naman. Christine. So, 4 na 3, 2, 4. Ayan. 2, 2, 1, 3. 2, 2, 1, 3. Next. Si Joaquin. 3, 2, 2, 3. 3, 2. Nilito na ako, guys. 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 2. Nauuto na ako. Ang daming 2. Wait lang. 3, 2, 2, 3. 2, 2, 4, 3. 2, 2, 4, 3. 3, 2. Paderon. Hating-hati. First 5 is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hindi ko alam kung basta-basta or ano eh. Pero naniniwala akong hindi mabilas. Paderon. Next, si John Ray. Sagot niya. Ayan. Naano ni si John Ray. Yung huling is 3. Tanda ko yan. So, 3, 4, 3, 3, 1. 3, 4, 3, 3, 1. 4, 1, 3, 2, 2. 4, 1, 3, 2. Ayan. Next, 14th respondent si Zyril. Chua. Tatlong 3, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 2. 4, 1, 3, 3, 4. 4, 1, 3, 3, 4. Kirsten, 4, 3, 4, 3, 3. 4, 3, 4, 3, 3. 2, 2, 4, 1, 3. 2, 2, 4, 1, 3. And then after that, si Angel, 4, 4 na 3, 2, 3. 4, 4 na 3, 2, 3. Ay, may nag-comment. 2, 3. 3, 1, 4. 3, 1, 4. After kay Angel, sino pa? Mark. 3, 1, 3, 3. 2, 3, 1, 3, 3, 2. 4, 4, 1, 3. Tatlong 4. 1, 3. Next. Woo! Si Christine. 3, 4, 4, 3, 3. 3, 4, 4, 3, 3. Hirap naman ito. Diba nalito ako? 3, 4, 4. Tama ba? 3, 3. So, 2, 4, 2, 2, 4. 2, 4, 2, 2, 4. So, tapos na kay Christine. Hi, Clark. 2323. Okay, that's 2323 2323 2. Wait lang. 332. 332. Ayan. And then last. Woo! Si Tristan. 42231. 42231. 32233. 322. Anong dulo niya? 33. Ayan. As you can see here, ang challenging na part is yung pagtatali talaga. Kaya nga ginupo kayo para tulong-tulong kayo na, for example, for respondent number 1 up to respondent number 5 is ikaw yung magtatali and then bigay mo na lang sa kanya, sa leader or dun sa magpo-compute. So, hindi pwedeng isa lang yung gagawa ha, sinasabi ko sa inyo. So, kapag ganun yung nangyari na walang tulong from the other group mates, kick nyo na lang po sa group, okay? Take note yung mga leaders, ka-class din yan, okay? Student din yung mga yan. Student din yung mga yan. Hindi sila superhero na sasalo sa mga gawain na hindi nyo kayang gawin. Right? Tama, mali. See my point? Diyos. Ayan. So, mas mabuting maging pusong bato kaysa kayo ang inaabuso. So here, let's start with computing the reliability. So the first step is for us is to click the data analysis here. Ayan. So after clicking the data analysis, is you will click for ANOVA two-factor without. Okay? Without replication. Okay. Ulitin natin yung step. Data analysis. After ni data analysis, ANOVA two-factor without replication. And then after that is you will click for OK. Ayan. After nyo maklik si OK, AloGom, is meron dyang lalabas na input and output options. For the input is meron ditong input range. So dito po kay input range is dito nyo ilalagay yung mga sagot ng mga respondents ninyo. So ito, hinighlight ko yung sagot ninyo. Okay. Take note, huwag niyo pong ilalagay yung mga S1 up to S10 and then 1 up to 20 dito sa input range. Ang ilalagay niyo lang dito sa input range is yung sagot ni respondent 1 kay statement number 1 up to statement number 10. And yung sagot ni respondent number 1 hanggang respondent 20. Ayan. Yan lang yung ilalagay nyo for the input range. Now, for the output options is meron tayong tatlong pinagpipilian dyan. Pag clinic nyo si input range, ang ibig sabihin lang yan is dito lang mismo, sa sheet na ito lalabas yung pinakang results na hinihingi natin kay ANOVA two-factor without replication. Okay? Next, kapag clinic ko naman si worksheet apply is pwedeng magbukas ako dito ng mga worksheet and then dito lalabas yung results, which is, for example, i-click ko dito si sheet number 1. Okay? Kapag yan yung clinic ko, yung new worksheet apply, is meron dyang lilitaw or lalabas na sheet number 4 and then dito sa sheet number 4 is dito po lilitaw yung results na hinihingi nyo kay ANOVA two-factor without replication. But if you will click for new workbook, is merong mag-o-open na another book number 2. So book 1 kasi ito. So merong mag-o-open na book number 2 which is a new workbook and then another file siya. Dun lalabas yung results ng ANOVA two-factor without replication. So para sa akin, mas mabuti na output range or kung nasan yung data is dapat nandun din yung results para isahang tingin. Okay? And then, hindi ka na din malilito. So for the output range is gusto ko nandito siya. Yan. Kay N, kay N2. Ayan, yung broken line na yan. So ibig sabihin, di ba ito yung highlight ko? Ang ibig sabihin lang yan is mula dito kay N2 pababa and then N2 pa kanan, dito lalabas yung results ng ANOVA two-factor without replication po. Okay? And then after that is I will click for OK. And then lalabas na, ayan, lumabas na si ANOVA two-factor without replication, as you can see. Ayan. Now, the question is, ma'am, nandiyan na po ba yung reliability? Nandiyan na po ba? My answer is no, wala pa dyan. For the reliability is we need to use this formula. So, paki-take note nitong formula na to. Equal sign 1 minus, open parenthesis, MS error, divided by MS rows, and then close parenthesis. So, si MS error, ito po siya. So, di ba ito si MS, and then ito si error. So, therefore, itong si 0.62, ito po si MS error. Next, MS rows naman po, ito po siya. Si 0.602895. Okay. So, on a count of 5, paki-screenshot or pakisulat ng formula kasi pagkatapos kong magbilang ng hanggang 5 is papalitan na natin si MS error and then MS rows na corresponding value nila. Okay? So, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ayan. So, palitan ko na or papalitan ko na ng value. So, equal sign 1 minus. So, yung MS error natin, click lang natin. Divided by, okay, MS rows. And then, close parenthesis. So, kindly enter. And then, lalabas na dyan si reliability. Ayan. Here, as you can see, the reliability is equal with, so round off natin into 2 decimal place. So as you can see, the reliability is equal with negative 0.04. Now, AloGom, tingin kayo dito. If the reliability is equal with negative 0.04, between excellent, good, acceptable, questionable, poor, and unacceptable, saan dito nakabilang si negative 0.04? So take note, 0.49 pababa, unacceptable, 0.5 up to 0.59 poor, 0.6 up to 0.69, it is questionable. 0.7 up to 0.79, it is acceptable. 0.8 up to 0.89, is it good? And then lastly, 0.9 pataas, it is excellent. So between the excellent, good, acceptable, questionable, poor, and unacceptable, if the reliability na nakuha natin is equal with negative 0.04. Anong interpretation yan? The interpretation or the reliability is what? Okay, the reliability is, anong sagot ninyo? Okay, very good, Mark. Zoren, Kyle. Okay, very good. The reliability or the internal consistency of our Cronbach's alpha is unacceptable. Ayan. Now, for the option number 2 na pwede ninyong gawin, diba? If masyadong luma yung model ng Microsoft Excel ninyo at hindi kaya or hindi nyo mahanap yung data analysis, you will, for the substitute, pwede nyo pong gamitin si PSPP. So, para ma-download nyo si PSPP, just search for PSPP download. Okay. So, after searching for PSPP download, ito yung i-download nyo. Yung PSPP for Windows download, sourceforge.net. And then after that, is you will click for download. Ayan. And you will just wait for 5 seconds to download the PSPP. O, di ba ang bilis lang i-download? Ayan no, bilis lang. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Ayan. And then after that is i-open nyo itong file or itong okay? I-open nyo itong setup na to para ma-run ninyo. Okay? Para ma-run po ninyo yung PSPP. Para ma-install ninyo sa mga laptop or computer ninyo. So for me, meron na kasi. Ayan o. So, delete ko lang siya. Okay? Pinakita ko lang kung paano yung paggawa or pag-download na PSPP. So for the PSPP, so search ko lang siya. Tingnan natin if magmamatch yung nakuha nating value for the PSPP and Microsoft Excel. Baka magduda yung iba sa inyo eh. Charot. Ayan. So ito yung itsura ng PSPP. Merong variable view and then data view. So here, concentrate po tayo sa data view. So for the data view, yung na-itali natin, okay, yung mga na-itali natin na mga sagot ng respondents, i-copy lang natin sila. Okay. Take note, hindi nyo na i-copy si S1 up to S10 and then 1 up to 20. Ang i-copy nyo lang is yung pinakang sagot ng respondents. And then after that, is you will paste here on the PSPP. So as you can see, meron tayong question number 1 up to question number 10. Ayan, nakikita nyo naman. And then check natin if 20 yung respondents. Baka mali. Ayan. So as you can see, 20 respondents yan. Ayan. Now, ang kagandahan kasi dito sa PSPP is wala kang kailangan na matandaan na formula. Ang kailangan mo lang is matandaan mo kung ano yung dapat mong pindutin. So for the reliability for the PSPP using the application of PSPP is you will click for analyze and then after that, ang dami kasi diyang lilitaw na pwede mong gamitin. So ito po ay reliability. Kasi nga reliability naman yung gusto natin kunin, right? So click for reliability. And then click for variable 1. So for variable 1 up to variable 10 is ito yung gusto nating i-measure na reliability. At para ma-measure sila is mula dito, kailangan ma-transfer sila dito. So para ma-transfer dito sa side na to is you will highlight or you will click variable 1 and then click this button, ito po, para mula dito mapunta siya dito. So for example, highlight natin si variable 1, click natin tong button na to, and then after that, nandito na si variable 1. So tuloy-tuloy lang natin na click hanggang malipat lahat ng variable dito. Ayan. So after nun, click for show descriptive for scale if item is deleted, and then click for OK. Ayan. Pagka-click mo ng OK, tingin ka dito sa baba. Nandito, merong lumitaw or meron dyang dadagdag na window for the output. So dito mo titingnan yung reliability na makukuha mo. And as you can see, anong nakuha nating reliability dito kay Microsoft Excel? Tingnan natin sa baba. Yung nakuha natin is negative 0.04. Tingnan naman natin kay PSPP. Ayan. As you can see, magkatulad lang sila, which is equal with negative 0.04. And then dito, may nakalagay naman yung N of items is equal with 10. Ayan. Ito po, 10. Now, is paano nyo malalaman if anong item yung nakakapagpababa sa inyong reliability? Tingnan nyo to. Ang titingnan nyo po is yung corrected item correlation and then yung Cronbach's alpha if item is deleted. Now, dito is automatic na mare-reject or pwedeng tanggalin yung statement if the reliability is negative and 0.59 pababa. If yung reliability is 0.59 pababa. Ayan. And as you can see here, pwedeng matanggal, pwedeng matanggal, pwede, maliban kay variable number 10. Now, so X na yan. Wala na to. Si statement number 1 up to statement number 9. Now, for the Cronbach's alpha, if item is deleted. Okay. So, ang sinasabi lang dito is, if yung item na to, okay, if yung item na to, si variable 1, if na-delete to, yung magiging Cronbach's alpha niya is what? Negative 0.28. 0.05. So, mababa pa din, di ba? Ayan. So, ito, since wala na tong dito pa lang, kay item correlation is wala na, kay 1 up to 9, ang tingnan nyo na lang is dito, i-verify nyo. Negative 0.52. And as you can see, if na-delete daw to, or i-delete yung Cronbach's alpha, nung item, the Cronbach's alpha will become what? Negative 0.52. So, mababa din. So, all in all, kapag correlation, okay to, pero kapag Cronbach's alpha, hindi. Anong conclusion nito? Ang conclusion nito, kaya alam niyo na, alam niyo na kung bakit ganito kababa yung Cronbach's alpha. Sayang si variable 10 dito lang nagkatalo. Kay Cronbach's alpha if item is deleted. Ayan. Sayang siya. Ayan. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, Gomez, AloGom, na, di ba itong statement na to is hindi kasi ito napacheck ng mga students ko sa mga experts. Kasi hindi nga ito natuloy. So ito yung isa sa mga example na ganito yung magiging reliability. Okay? The term is, isa ito sa mga example na ganun yung magiging reliability or yung results ng reliability if hindi magpapakonsult or hindi nagpakonsult yung mga researchers sa mga experts. Kaya ganun kababa. Kasi in the first place, hindi naman sila or ito mga students ko na to is hindi nga natuloy, hindi nakapagpakonsult. Diba? Kaya mababa yung reliability. Now, tingnan nyo naman dito kay sheet number 1. Ayan. Kay sheet number 1, so meron silang 26 questions. Ayan. So ito, measure natin yung reliability ng 26 questions na to using the Microsoft Excel and the PSPP. Start muna tayo with the Microsoft Excel. Ayan. So kay Microsoft Excel, click natin si data analysis. Ayan. And then ANOVA two-factor without replication. Siyempre magbabago yung input range niyan kasi ito ay meron silang 26 questions and 100 respondents. AloGom. Ayan. Highlight lang natin. And as for the output range, gusto ko lang nasa gilid. Dito lang. Bandang gilid lang. Ayan. Kay AC2. And then click OK. Ayan. So as you can see here, nandito na si ANOVA two-factor without replication. Apply natin yung formula. Ano nga yung formula? That is what? Equal sign, 1 minus, open parenthesis, MS error divided by MS rows. And then click for OK. Okay. And as you can see here, their reliability is equal with 0.96. And tingnan natin kung ano yung interpretation kapag yung reliability is 0.96. Pakitingin. Anong sagot ninyo? The reliability is what? The internal consistency is? Okay. As you can see, the internal consistency is excellent. Ayan. So, check natin if tugma sila sa PSPP. So, copy lang natin to. Yung sagot nila. Sagot ng mga respondents. Ang dami, di ba? Nakakaduling kaya to. And then, wait lang. Ayan, paste. So, check natin if meron silang 26 questions. Up to variable 26 dapat yan. Okay. And then ito dapat merong 100 respondents. Up to 100 dapat ito. Patingin. Ayan, okay na. So after that, is you will click for the data. Analyze. Click for analyze. Click for reliability. Highlight si variable 1. Ilipat lahat ng variable dito. Ayan. And then click for OK. So tingnan ng output kung equal yan kay 0.96. Ayan. So tingnan nyo, the reliability is equal with 0.96. Tama naman, di ba? And then the n items is equal with 26. And then tingnan ninyo yung corrected item total correlation. Is it equal with? O, tingnan nyo, ang tataas, di ba? Ito lang, si variable 5, yung medyo hindi okay. Pero okay naman siya if dito kay Cronbach's alpha. So kapag ganito, konting revision lang. Same with variable 9. So, ang medyo hindi okay dito is dalawa lang. Okay? Dalawang items lang. Unlike with dito kay dito sa pinasagot ko sa inyo na 10 statements. Okay. Ayan. So, ganun yung pagkakaiba if, okay? Kaya ganun yung mga pagkakaiba if hindi talaga, okay? If hindi talaga dumaan sa kamay ng mga experts yung inyong mga survey questionnaire. Okay? Hindi siya valid. Diba? Kapag ganun. Kaya, alam nyo ba na mas malaki yung chance na hindi din siya reliable kapag hindi nyo pina-check yung validity. Ayan. Kaya, it is really important to check the validity and reliability. Pero sa ngayon, ang kaya na lang natin gawin is the reliability. So sa akin lang is gusto ko kayong matuto or gusto kong matutunan ninyo kung ano yung kung ano yung mga steps kung paano kunin si reliability. So kahit hindi ganun kataas yung reliability, tatanggapin ko na lang. As long as alam niyo yung steps and alam niyo yung procedures para kapag grade 12 na kayo, meron na kayong idea, kahit slightest idea kung paano siya gawin. Okay? Kasi itong tinuturo ko is just the chapter 4 na to pang chapter 4 na to. Which is more on statistics, more on the data. Okay? Kahit gaano kasi kaganda, if quantitative yung study ninyo, kahit gaano kaganda yung RRL, pero kapag chapter 4 medyo sablay, so yun lang. Baka sayang yung effort, right? Yan. So that would be all for today, AloGom. And you can administer the test. Okay? Pwede na kayong mag-administer ng test. Mamili na lang kayo, AloGom, kung anong klaseng random sampling yung gagawin ninyo. So, introduce ko na lang sa inyo yung dalawang random sampling na pwede nyong pagpilian. Yung iba kasi is mahirap nang gawin sa time na ngayon. Kaya ito na lang, ako na lang yung magbibigay ng kung anong pwede ninyong gamitin na random sampling. So, SRS without replacement, ang ibig sabihin lang nito ni SRS without replacement is, di ba meron na kayong targeted sample, which is, for example, grade 11 students. So, for this grade 11 students, if gagamit ka ng SRS without replacement, for example is, meron kang mga listahan ng mga names nila, and then dun sa mga names nila, pwede mong iroleta, first 50, okay, sila yung magiging respondents mo. Okay? Or kaya naman, isulat mo isa-isa, and then bunutan kayo or ibubunot mo isa-isa na, okay, kung sino yung first 50 na mabubunot ko, siya yung magiging sample ko. Okay? Yun yung first na pwede nyong gamitin as the random sampling. And yung pangalawang madali is the systematic random sampling. So, paano naman yung systematic random sampling? For example, merong upuan dyan, merong mga upuan, kunyari, nasa classroom to itong mga population ko na to, ayan, itong mga population ko na to, siyam. Diba? Meron akong 9 na population. Now, dito sa 9 na population ko, gusto ko lang ng 3 respondents. Now, para makuha ko yung 3 respondents is i-divide ko yung population ko na 9 with the number of respondents na gusto ko. So for example, 9 divided by 3, so ibig sabihin yan, 9 divided by 3, that is equal with 3. Kaya nga siya systematic is meron siyang predetermined pattern. So, ibig sabihin lang yan, di ba, every third. So, ibig sabihin, every pangatlong spot, siya yung kukunin mo as respondent. So, 1, 2, 3, una. 1, 2, 3, pangalawa. 1, 2, 3, pangatlo. Okay. Now, for example, meron akong 9 as population. And then, gusto ko 4. Okay? 4 respondents. So, 9 divided by 4. Okay? So 9 divided by 4, that is equal with what? That is equal with, okay. So 9 divided by 4. Ayan. So ibig sabihin, if gusto ko ng 9 as may, if 9 or 9 lang na katao yung population ko, and then dun sa 9 na population ko, gusto ko is 4. Okay? 4 na respondents lang yung kukunin ko. So, ibig sabihin yan, that is equal with approximately 2.25. So, round off natin into whole number, so 2. So, ibig sabihin, every second spot, okay, every pangalawang number is sila yung magiging respondents ko. So, tingnan natin. 1 and 2, first respondent. 1 and 2, second respondent. 1 and 2, third respondent. 1 and 2, fourth respondent. Okay? So, ganon yung sa systematic random sampling. So, AloGom, kayo na lang yung mamimili if dun sa mga targeted sample ninyo kung paano nyo